CYBL stock analysis, is this the right time to buy? I'm gonna answer everything around that in this short and brief 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Briefly looking at Cyberlux sitting at 0.0129. Actually, I appreciate this bullish market, and all I'm looking to further do is just take things further up. You know what I mean? I've talked about this plenty of times before, but we have the top here at about 0.0136, and unless I see I would appreciate a little pull downs. It doesn't even specifically need to come to 0.008, but a little pull downs will be appreciated because that's the only way that I will take advantage of it, if you know what I mean. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights. And I do have some previous receipts here with CYBL. I'll now just want to mention, but yeah, there's videos on my YouTube channel that I've done on CYBL. See you in the next one. I'm quite excited about this. Well, I don't know why it's not showing up with my trade alert section, but I guess it is what it is. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.